Hi everyone, it's Miss Amy from Camden Public Library, and today is National Bird Day, and so we're here in Maine, or I'm here in Maine, and last year, I don't know if it was on the same day, but I did a drawing of the Maine state bird, which is a chickadee, and today I want to make a cute little paper chickadee. So what you need is kind of like a manila color or light yellow color paper, some gray, black, and some white. And then you need some scissors and a marker for some cool detailing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by drawing the shape of my bird onto this gray. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like this. Okay. And I'm going to go down and up. I'm going to do the head. Kind of come over like that. And then the tail. Okay, and that's going to be all in gray. And yours might look just a little bit different, and that's okay too. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it out quick. No big deal. We'll just cut it out like this. And it's pretty cool that it's National Bird Day. So that is all cut out. And it's cool that it's National Bird Day because there are like thousands of different, maybe even more than that, of different kinds of birds. And the cool thing is that there may even be birds we've never heard of. There are birds that have become extinct. That's not cool. And unfortunately, the birds are in danger. There is some threat to birds because of lots of different things. Our environmental health or the planet's health is really depends or affects animals, but it affects birds a lot. So the next part I'm going to do is the bird's head. So what I'm going to do is on the black, I am going to trace around the bird's head to right about there. Okay. And I'm gonna kind of come in like this. Okay. And like that. Okay. And I'm just tracing the head. And then I'm gonna put that onto the head. So I just traced right around it. I'm gonna cut it out. This is a really layered project. Now I want to do a little beak. So, and I'm going to make my beak just a little bit bigger than it needs to be so that I have room to glue it on. Okay. All right. So, and the chickadee's beak is black. Okay, so now let's see, which direction was the head? Like right there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue that right on there so that I have it. Okay, so there's that. And I'm going to glue the beak right on the front. And they have a little beak. You know, because they're a little bird. Okay, so now I need the white. And with the white, I'm going to make, I'm gonna go like this. Okay. I'm going to kind of make an eye shaped like that. Okay, and I'm gonna flip it over and I'm going to put it right on there. Okay, there is that. That is kind of, this is a black-capped chickadee. All right, then I'm going to do a little eye like that, and I leave just a little white in the eye. Isn't that cool? All right, so now I need some wings. I need some wings. So back to the gray, I am going to do a wing like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a wing like this. So one is the lower wing and one is the upper wing. Okay, so here we go, like this. This is the lower wing, like that. And then this is the upper wing, and we have some details that we're going to add. Okay, and this one is going to go right there. All right, I like that. Okay, so now I want to take this, and I'm going to, oop, it's hard to see on this. I'm going to go like this and kind of do a little black like that. And then I'm gonna do a little black. And these are gonna go here and here, okay? So here we go. We're gonna cut this out again. Okay, now those are cut out. Now I'm going to use the bottom on here, and I'm going to trace like this along the bottom to right about there. And then I'm gonna go like this for the bottom of the bird. So the bird's breast is a different color because on a chickadee, it's lighter. So here we go. Okay, so now I can put the chickadee's breast right on in his belly, or its belly. So I'm going to go ahead and put that and see how it fits right at the bottom. I'm going to put that little detailing right there, like that. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that it goes right to the top. There we go, and there's the wing. Like that, and then same thing here. I'm gonna put the detail right there, right at the top, and then I'm going to put this under here. I'm going to tuck it under like that. There we go. Okay, so now we've got the whole bird together, but now we want a little bit of added details so that the bird has kind of a feathery look. So I'm just gonna do some little details here like this. Okay, and let's see, some here like this. It's just some little details like this. All right, I like it. And we can even use a little white to do a couple little details right in the white and a little bit on his beak. And there you have it, an adorable little chickadee, the Maine state bird on National Bird Day. Have a great day, and maybe you'll do some backyard birding at your house. No matter where we live, there are birds. Hugs to you all. Miss Amy.